Why does your scanner show the P2320 engine code? What does it mean? P2320 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil G secondary circuit. The P2320 engine code indicate the vehicle's engine computer has detected an open, short, or weak spark on the specific coil responsible for that cylinder. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed ignition coil G. Damaged or worn spark plug. Faulty wiring or connectors. Bad coil boot. Secondary driver failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Acura, Peugeot, Ford, Lincoln, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.